RecMart, a data warehousing company, is to undergo an ISO certification audit of its data security compliance. As Robin Driscoll, the data security chief of RecMart, a learner is required to go through the virtual premises of RecMart to make sure that there are no data security threats. Based on the data security concepts provided as objectives and the requirements of the ISO IEC 27002 standards, the learner has to identify the risks to asset management security and the risks to access control for information systems and information security. A game that teaches. A virtual immersive environment that transports the learner to a simulated environment that is immersive, where the learner can walk in any direction and explore, where the learner can interact with the virtual environment and identify the data security threats, where the environment communicates back to the learner providing inputs on the data threat identifications that the learner makes, thereby teaching and training the learner. A lifelike situation where the learner can make mistakes and learn from it without penalty, so that those mistakes are not repeated in the real world where the price is higher. Unlocked computers, discarded printouts, and even incorrectly disposed floppy disks and CDs that are corrupted can be a source of data leak. If the learner is able to identify the threats, the game provides reinforcement by giving the reason as to why the object is a threat. The learner doesn't just sit back and listen, but finds out and learns.